Yes, hi. Lovely advanced algebra students. This is just a little test to see how virtual learning would work. And I know you missed my lovely face, and yes, I have it on the what do they call it, webcam below, and my obviously lovely voice sounds better over a MacBook microphone. But I know, unfortunately, you guys were doing really well, and we did not get to take our quiz that involves synthetic division. So while you're home, bored, doing whatever you're doing, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a taste of what we could be doing in class. A simple synthetic division problem. Does it have a remainder? I don't know. Let's find out. Here we go. So, the problem will be, and I gotta practice writing this with my mouse, which is even harder than writing this with the Promethean board. I probably could have typed this out ahead of time, but as always, I wasn't thinking. A little shout out to Samir that there will probably be a little mistake there, and yes, I am no Mr. Dragonfly. Mr. Dragonfly could be drinking Dr. Pepper and doing this problem at the same time while chewing on Nicorette gum. I can barely do one thing at a time. Sorry, Samir. Oh, I could start shouting out students too. That would be fun. Probably no one's going to watch this because no one signed up for my Google Classroom, which is sad, but I am used to rejection in my life, so I think I can handle this. Okay, there's a problem. 3x to the third minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Obviously, this is a polynomial division. We could do long division, but that sucks. So let's try synthetic division because this is a synthetic division problem. So we're going to make our little friendly L and our friendly line. Oh, wow, so dip. Okay. And now what goes in this little box? Well, we take whatever's here and flip the sign. So that's a -3, because that's how you find the root, right? The root would be -3. And then how do we get these? We just look at the coefficients. See, I can still color code it and everything. Sweet. First coefficient 3. Oh, first we gotta make sure, are they in general form? X to the third, x squared, x constant. Yes, that's a check. -2, 5, 2. Now obviously we're just gonna drop, that's our first step, is just drop the 3. Then you multiply. -3 times 3 is -9. Then you add. -2 plus 9 is -11. And then guess what? You multiply. -3 times -11 is positive 33. Oh. Yeah, I got that right. A little shout out to LeVar, who might be on his phone right now, but I don't know. Yeah, so please don't play on your phones while you're watching these little lessons. It's just rude. Obviously, I can't enforce it. There will be no cell phones for extra credit, but it's an honor system, right? 5 plus 33 is 38, so you add. It's really nice doing these lessons and not, having to hear certain students' voices over and over again, like a certain student whose name begins with Nicole. Okay. -3 times 38 is -114. And when you do add those up, you get -112. And what do we call that? That is, yes, Martez, you're right. That's your remainder. You are one of the best students in the class. Don't tell your little friend that. So now it becomes 3x. It's not going to be x to the third. We're going to drop down an exponent to x squared minus 11x plus 38, right? You're just using these coefficients. And then, of course, hit them with the remainder. Okay, r -112. Is that the end, class? No. Good job, Keyshawn. It's over whatever the divisor is. And there we have it. another fun long division problem, synthetic division problem. Now, if you appreciate this video and all my other videos, please subscribe. It's Mr. G Math Teacher at youtube.com, and this was kind of fun. Not quite the same as being in class. I do miss you guys, and please watch my other videos. Thanks. Bye. Have a safe break.